We beat to rap, what key beat to lock. We beat to rap, what key beat to lock. We beat to rap, what key beat to lock. We beat to rap, what key beat to lock. We beat to rap, what key beat.
Combat Sports TV, I've got to tell you, baby, I've got a warrior of a man who's just put together a benefit. We've made our way to Fort Worth, Texas. We're at the Metroflex Gym, MMA, whatever you call it, gym, baby. Is that what it is?
The Metroflex Fort Worth Gym, yeah.
I'll tell you what, I've got Angel here. Angel, we've just finished up with Fight for Cash, a beautiful cause. Why don't you tell the fight fans and viewers what this was all about?
I mean, basically what this is about, I mean, you know what, this is about Baby Cash, this particular event, but in reality it's bigger than that. Me and the owner of Metroflex have actually gotten together and we want to do a charity event every year and basically change people's lives. You know, this year was for Cash, next year hopefully it'll be for, you know, somebody else that's also less fortunate and everything like that. But this is something we want to do every year. We need your guys' help. If you guys have any stories you want to share with, you know, somebody you know is having some hardship, hit me up on Facebook, UFFL MMA or Metroflex Fort Worth, and, you know, tell them your story and then maybe we can help you out.
I'll tell you what, this right here, man, is a man who only brings a punch with his mouth, baby. You know what? Backs up what these men do in the cage, and that is the professionalism they are, but they've stepped out of that little fierce, if you can call that. It's charity now time. Let's talk real quickly about Baby Cash. It's Cash Williams, who is was born blind.
Yes.
And right now is trying to raise, y'all trying to help. They've already made a trip to China last year, and golly, viewers, you got to hear this, baby. As a dad myself, never would I ever envision my daughters being without the ability to even see light. And Baby Cash, for the first time last year, a year ago, saw light. Is that correct?
That's correct, that's correct. And basically what we're trying to do is, you know, basically send him back over there so he can see even more of the light. You know what I mean? We're basically out here trying to get him out here, and you know what I mean? You know what? None of this was his fault. He was just a kid who was born this way, and especially when people do this kind of stuff, if they're born this way, we need to help them out. You know, they started off down, we need to help people down. You know what I mean? We need to help bring them back up. So basically just, you know, Baby Cash, from the video so far, I was told by the dad that we already raised $4,000 just all the sheer videos. So hopefully we did good today. And you know, guys, please donate. You know, just because the charity event is over doesn't mean that you can't stop donating. You know, again, if you go and look up Jesse Williams' Facebook and his mother's Facebook, Morgan Williams, I'm sure they have all their information to do more donations to the charity. Well,
16 fighters converged here for the first annual UFFL charity jiu-jitsu tournament here at the Metroflex Gym. Real quick, Hayward Charles takes the overall tournament. Is that correct?
Yeah, Hayward took the overall tournament, man. It was great, man. He had some tough competition. I mean, one guy that really just blew everybody's mind, though, I want to throw a shout out to Mark De La Rosa, 17-year-old, the crowd pleaser, you know. He put on a great show. He put on a great show, so I want to thank him. And, you know, basically all the fighters that were involved. We had great guys. We had Donnie the Mama Bell, we had Chris Jones, we had Evan Cutts, we had Eliazar Rodriguez, and then all the gyms that were involved, you know. So, you know, and the reality, Hayward might have won the tournament, but we're all winners here.
Angel, you said it beautiful. We wrap this one up to the man behind the camera, Sean Malone, to Combat Sports TV Live, to Angel himself. Metroflex, baby, we're going to bring one to an end, but I'm going to tell you, we'll be back. Angel, you catch him on UFFL, baby, a warrior of an MMA supporter. Until our next one, we say farewell.